YouTube, good morning. Y'all already know who it is. It's CJ, your home improvement homeboy, back with another one. Today we are doing not one, but two accent walls. Anyways, yeah, it's funny. Not like making fun of the person, but I had somebody comment on my last video saying that me recording in the car gives them a bad anxiety or something to that nature because they thought I was taking my eyes off the road. Let me just clarify that in this video. I don't take my eyes off the road. My phone and my camera both mount to my steering wheel and my dashboard area. So I'm constantly looking forward as I'm recording. Safety is a priority to me. I have children. I need to make it home alive. So just wanted to clarify that and let you guys know. But anyways, I'm going to show you guys in the next clip what, one of the walls we're building. And then I guess I'll show you the other one kind of on site. It's kind of, when we get to the site, it's about an hour and 32-minute drive away from here. So can't wait to show you guys what we're building today. And as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to drop it in the comment section below. The channel is almost monetized, and I appreciate everybody who takes the time to watch, comment, subscribe, and share. Once the channel is monetized, I will start doing at least one free accent wall a month, just to kind of give back to the people who have supported me and who supported us and helped, come this far on this YouTube journey. I love y'all. I love y'all a lot, and I appreciate you guys. And so, yeah, let's get to it. All right, so guys, this is the wall that I was talking about. This is actually going to be a kitchen island accent wall. As you can see, I mocked it up in my CAD software first, and I submitted this file to my local CNC guy, Alex with Classico, Designs by Classico. He is by far my guy, my go-to. And so I took it to him, and he was able to extract the lines from the file. I do all my own design work. I do have a background as a graphic designer. That's originally where I started my adult career life. So, yeah, it's a big benefit, major benefit. And for anybody who actually does accent walls and is interested in getting any type of CNC work, hit me up. I would love to be of assistance. And so this is after he brings it over to his software and does the 3D rendering for the CNC machine to read. So as you guys see, you kind of get a feel for how it's going to look before it gets cut. And no explanation needed here, but I did want to time lapse it and show you guys. It actually took about an hour and a half to cut this whole design out, but I didn't mind. It gave us some time to kick it, talk, work on stuff. But yeah, I love being able to do accent walls this way. It just allows me to be different and for my company to stand out. And really, I value being able to be efficient. And I feel like this by far is one of the most efficient ways to build an accent wall because you're in and out. All right, so guys, I am here, just pulled up to the job site, and it is cold, very, very cold. So normally I would prep these panels in advance. I would already have them primed and painted and ready for install, but it just didn't work out that way this time. And I just got the panels yesterday, so I'm gonna have to prime and paint these on site in real time. So, all right, y'all get to hang out with me, and we will make some magic happen. Before I get started, I will. Oops, sorry. I'll walk you guys in and show you the house. Well, actually, I'm gonna get started, and I'll show you the house where we're installing it, so you can kind of get a feel for the space. And yeah, Let's make it happen. All right, guys, so this is the house. This is where our 3 panels will be going. And over here is where I'm going to do a fireplace. Well, it's going to be a fireplace accent wall. So I'm going to have to add stops because there are no natural stops there. So I'll add stops from floor to ceiling. And we're going to do the same design that you saw on the panels. We're going to mirror that design over here. But this one will be white and this one will be black. Fire, I know. So we can't start on the island accent wall, the kitchen countertop, because we need to let the primer dry and then it needs to be sanded down just to make sure it's smooth, and then I'll give it the first coat and, you know, second coat. But in the meantime, we can start building on the fireplace accent wall. So 1 second, let me grab the design and show you guys. Chris needs to wear gloves, but he's stubborn. So now I'll be scrubbing spray paint off my hand. But yeah, so this is the kitchen island accent wall. I mean, Lord Jesus. The fireplace accent wall. They're gonna add the mantle later. It was supposed to be here before I started, but they didn't get around to it. So, oh, cool. I'm gonna still do my thing. So, just rock with me, you guys, and let's bring this from concept to conception. All right, so I know you guys see this fancy tape measure that I'm using. This is the Raycon T1M. It is by far my favorite choice of tape measures. Check this out. So I need to find the center of this and mark it. So all I have to do on this tape measure is go through the settings, toggle to center. I'll turn it up that way so you can see it, and then press select. And now instantly when I measure this board, it's gonna tell me what the center is. So I measure the full width of the board, which is 60 3/4. And the center is 30 3/8. 30 3/8. It tells you right there on the tape measure. It might show up upside down. But yeah, I love it. No reason not to love it.
We both lost our temper this time. I said it was your fault. You said that it was mine. Last night, anger keep us blind. I know you ain't the enemy, so baby, let's rewind.
All right, so I don't know why I always set the camera so high, low. But yeah, I'm about to start sanding these down. They should be good and dry by now. Go ahead and give them the first coat of paint, and that way they can be drying while I'm continuing to build the smaller parts of the wall, and I can spray them a second time before I put them in. All right, so I just put the first coat on the panels. The other one's over here. Excuse the paint on the dirt. The client is putting mulch over it, so he said it wasn't an issue. But yeah, first coat came out looking good. So I'm gonna head inside and jump back on the fireplace wall. All right, so the client just came and he's checking on everything. So he realized, well, I tried to tell him so quick. He realized about the mantle. He's trying to figure out how he wanted to get the mantle put on. So I told him, it'd be better to cut it and, cut around it now while I'm here versus me having to come back. So let me show you guys this mantle. This is gorgeous. This is gonna look so sexy with that black. You can kind of see the contrast now against my shirt. But yeah, so I'm about to mount this and then I will continue with the build. Let's do it.
Before I close my eyes tonight, daybreak falls into the night, I hope that we can make it right. Before we turn, don't we turn out the lights?
All right, the mantle is mounted. Build time.
Before I close my eyes tonight, daybreak falls into the night, I hope that we can make it right. Before we turn, don't we turn out the lights?
So camera battery's been dying and stuff, so y'all might have missed just a little bit of the process. But I'm back. Check me out. What am I looking at? Where's the? I'm on the phone now. So y'all excuse me if I look like I'm looking God knows where, because I don't really know where to look on this thing. But anyways, I'm about to put time lapse back on so you guys can build the rest with me. All right.
Before I close my eyes tonight, daybreak falls into the night, I hope that we can make it right. Before we turn, don't we turn out the lights?
All right, so I know what y'all thinking. Why is he sanding when he's not done with the other side yet? So, because I had to repair some drywall unexpectedly, I do not have my heat gun. So that's gonna have to dry overnight and I'm gonna have to come back. This is 1 day job, end up turning into a 2 day job. It's like that sometimes, but it's cool. It's cool. We're gonna get it done. But yeah, I went ahead and I did a rough sand of every joint because I want it to be, I want that joint, not joint compound, help me out here, guys. The wood filler, yes. I want the wood filler to adhere well. And so, yeah, I'm about to go ahead and do the first round of wood filler, and then I'm gonna pack it on up for the night because I just got a call from the school. My son is sick. So, drop a prayer in the comments and let me know you're praying for him, thinking about him. But yeah, All right, guys, let's get it done. All right, guys, so that's it for today. Like I said, today took a few twists and turns. As soon as this dries and I can sand it smooth in the morning, I'll knock that last part out. Won't take but a minute. I don't know if you guys actually saw how fast I built this side literally in 10 minutes. So we'll knock that out tomorrow. The panels are outside drying. Well, they are almost dry. So let you guys see those. I may set them in place before I go, but I'm not going to actually install them until tomorrow because I want to do a little sanding and touch-up painting on them just to make sure that they are 100% the way they should be. So, all right, guys, that's it. I appreciate you guys taking the time to tune into this video. Oh, like I said, part 2 will be tomorrow, and then you'll get to see the final reveal after everything is done. So make sure you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and the notification bell so you can know when part 2 drops. All right, y'all be up. Nah, y'all be easy. I love y'all.